Hi everyone, welcome back. In this session, we are going to talk about storage services in Azure. So basically, we have four different types of storages that are available. First one is called blob storage. Second one is file storage. Third one is queue storage and table storage. So the blob storage will be used whenever there is a unstructured data you want to store, like let's say image or video or any type of the files or any kind of data which doesn't have any structure. You can go ahead and use blob storage, which will give flexibility in terms of accessing, and also you can store large amount of data with respect to blob storage. Okay. And file storages, let's say you have some of the files on the on-prem, or you want to access some of the files in the network share, so then you can go for file storage, which will give you can access the files on the cloud anywhere using the industry standard SMB protocol. Okay, that means the files can be suppose let's say your files are on the share drive, or it's on the Windows or any NAS drives. It can be just lifted and shifted to cloud, and then access can be given based on that. The next one is the queue storage. Basically, whenever there is a requirement to asynchronously queue up the messages between the applications or any of your queues, then you can go for the queue based storage service. And the last one is the table storage. Specifically for table storage, let's say you go for NoSQL data, or the data which has the table like format, then you go for the table storage. Okay. So with respect to these different storage services, there is a access tab that is associated specifically for the blob storage. So the cost of the storage and the data access cost are like reversely proportionate or inversely proportionate. So as there are hot access tier, there are cold access tier, and archive access tier. So hot access tier means if a video is hosted in the blob storage, it can be accessed immediately. And if file or videos or any of your documents are hosted in the cool access tier, means it can be actually within 30 days of time. And if it is hosted in the archive data tier, that means it can be accessed above 180 days. Okay. So based on this access requirement you have for your documents or your enterprise, so this cost can be accommodated. Cost will differ accordingly. Okay. So the lower you go, the data access cost is lesser, and the higher the tier, the cost of the storage is more. Okay. So that is with respect to the storage services. And so also there is there are replication techniques that are available. They are called like LRS, which is nothing but the local redundant storage; ZRS, zone redundant storage; GRS, geo redundant storage; RAGRS, read access geo redundant storage; GZRS, geo zone redundant storage; and RAGZRS, that means read access geo zone redundant storage. Okay. So in this session I am just going to talk about only LRS. That means any copy, that is whenever you choose the tier as replication technique as LRS, a 3 asynchronous copy will be stored in the MS data center. For example, here in this case, let's say you have requested for a storage, and here in the same MS data center, the 3 asynchronous copy of the files will be available separately. Okay. So that's how the data will be locally replicated in case any of the uh, racks will fail due to power shortage or any outage. Then you can data can be accessed from the other location. Okay, yeah, that's it in this session. I hope the storage services are clear. In the next session we are going to talk about more detail. Thank you.